This is an SAT subject test, 33 questions, reading and writing. Read each passage, then choose the best answer. All questions are multiple choice of the 4. Each question has a single best answer. Foxfoot, a young Ojibwe man, is guiding a group of fur traders. It's supper time. Foxfoot would allow no fire to be built, no landing to be made, no trace of their passing to be left. They ate canned meat and marmalade, drank again of the stream, and pushed on until just at dusk they drank with shores of granite. What does the word trace mean? Doesn't mean blemish. It could mean amount, sketch, but trace is usually evidence, so let's go with A. There are answers, so we can check our work. Many ancient sculptures of people's heads are missing their noses. Which choice completes the text with the most logical word? This is because the nose is the most part of the sculpture's head. It is delicate. It is fragile. Those are synonyms. Preceding a flare, the corona temporarily exhibits increased brightness. Above the region where the flare is, I guess, impending. Perpetual means forever. Innocuous means harmless. To demonstrate the integrity of underground metal pipes can be assessed without unearthing the pipes. Aroba Salim and colleagues hypothesized the tendency, discounted the tendency. The team showed that such alterations it could be redefined, but I'll go with hypothesized. The following text is adapted. The main purpose. The college is organizing the freshman team. I'm little, of course. I can dodge under their feet and grab the ball. I think it's D. Versus C. It's I. 7 could be A. In the late 1800s, Spanish language newspapers flourished. El Paso surpassed 22. Thus, it is unsurprising that it became a rich site for Spanish. B. 7 is B. Chile's Atacama Desert is one of the driest places on Earth. Mary Beth Wilhelm and other astrobiologists search for life on its remains. The extreme environment on Mars. Which choice of the underlined sentence? To contrast the conditions, to explain. I think it's B. There is an irreducibly contextual dimension of transportation mode choice. Transportation, as Eric Guerra in urban areas, is a product of complex ity. I think it's A. Changes to vegetation cover and other human hypothesizing the differences in land use lead to differences in carbon and nitrogen levels. In Ethiopia, they found that across land use, carbon and nitrogen decrease in the deep. It's not B. So it starts with unclarity. I think that scientists do not fully understand. So let's go. So 9 and 10 are both A. That's tough. We'll mark those. Recently, scientists looked at data collection as Mars quakes. So science is tough here. Would originate from all. According to the text, why is it surprising that seismic activity from NASA's InSight later? Why would people miss this because earthquakes don't exist? The surface temperature of Mars has been rising. It's D. The ancient writing system used Maya kingdoms. It looks like Texas is dominating the curriculum of the SAT. The earliest known, maybe Kentucky as well. The earliest known example of the symbol dates 2,000 years ago. According to the text, what do some historians suggest about, well, Acapulco with Mel Gibson is a great film. The ancient writing used in Mayan kingdoms. I thought we were a Judeo-Christian society. The earliest known example of the symbol dates the zero symbol. So it's A. The bet is a short story by Chekhov. In the story, a banker is described as being very upset about something. I think it's D. Extinction. Read Wikipedia. The passage of time by V.S. Passage to India by V.S. Nepal. Efforts to use breeding or mixing of cloning can bring back extinct species. The, the longer species, the less likely. Among candidates, let's go with B. Actually, yeah, I think it's B. The woolly mammoth's tough, which became extinct before the saber tooth. Well, it says 11,000 years. So that's an error. So let's go with C. Seems off. Maybe it's not an error. We'll mark it as X. We won't count it. The Yellow Wallpaper is an 1892 short story by Charlotte Gilman. In the story, the narrator expresses mixed feelings. I would say C. Manganese to calcium in the Alboran and Mauritian coast. Perhaps this is a European SAT. The researchers conclude that oxygenation may have been important in the Alboran Sea, but not the Mauritian Sea. I'll go with B. The driest was a period of extreme cooling because if a comet hit the Earth, you gotta wonder about parents these days. A team led by Kurt Kasher detected a 19-mile crater. This would be A. That's probably wrong though. We'll mark it. 18. Heather, an appendix, which doesn't exist. It's no function. So this isn't really language. This is more science. 18B. So Akron's leading. 19 at the 13-minute mark. Some ethicists irrespective of the context in which they are carried out, like murder. As far as the Aztecs, individuals' actions can be assessed by appealing. I guess it's D. D. That's English. A. Using one of these non-copyrighted songs, a creator won't lose advertising revenue. Which choice? Using one of these non-copyrighted songs without a comma ensures. So D. What makes theremin? You place your hands, so there's no apostrophe, so it has to be B. If it was yours hand, someone else's hand, you place someone else's hand, you have to add a possessive. We didn't start the fire. Not true. D or D. Well, Billy Joel's old, so it's gotta be B. Gotta be A. I feel like it's halfway. You can just fall off a cliff on this. Both of interviewees and the items they describe image of beauty. The dash is an improvement. I think because there would be 3 2s in a row, it'd have to be B. But we'll go with C. We'll stick with the dash. Historians agree Morton was exaggerating what he had claimed. No one can deny. However, though, so D. According to Doverger's law, countries with single ballot majority in elections for single to polarized dueling banjos consistently dominate the political system. Thus, I guess in other words, or for instance, so D. The turtle shell. Blank the shell, Murex, is often incorrectly assumed to be an exoskeleton. That being, let's go with A. Uh-oh, forgot one. Okay, so me 7. All black ceramic. Flame surrounding the claim vessel. Reduction firing. This technique involves smothering D. 8 is D. D. All right, there can't be three D's in a row. Last two. Wait, 8, 9, 30, 31. While researching a topic, we'll go with C. Now we can check the answers. So 1 we got right. 2 we got right. 3 we got right. 4 we got right. 5 we got wrong. Let's look at 5. 5 is B. I don't recall this. Maybe we forgot something. 6 should be D. 6 is D. So I guess we just forgot 5. 7 is B. 8 is C. The desert. This is when we started noticing. Let's see what we did. 8. We went with B. Choice B is incorrect because the underlying sentence doesn't address forms of life that are unable to survive. But it does talk about algae and bacteria. But that is on Mars, perhaps. Well, I'm not an expert on aliens. All right. So now we move on. 9. 9 is A. Choice A is 9 is B. Choice A is incorrect. And we got wrong. 11, we're back. 12, we got right. 13, we got right. 14, we dispute. 15 is C, we got right. 16 is B. 17 is A, so that's pretty strong. 18, we got right. 19, we got wrong. Back to the Aztecs. It looks like those are tough. 20, we got right. 21, we got right. 22, we got right. 23, we got right. 24, we missed. 25, we missed. 26, we missed. I think it's because it's practice. 27, we got right. 28, we got right. 29, there couldn't be three B's in a row. 30, we missed. I guess there's more. Yeah, we forgot a couple, but I'd say we got like a 650 out of 800.